Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to make a favorite cars list in the AutoUncle app. But first I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. Open the AutoUncle app and search for a car. Let's say, see this. If you like it, then below the picture you can see this heart shaped icon, and it writes favorite. If you tap on it, you add it to your favorites. But if you are scrolling and seeing something what you like, then on the cars box you can see here the name of the car. On the right corner you can see this icon, the heart-shaped icon. If you tap on it, you add it to your favorites, and so on. If you see something, add it to them. And when you open the app and you would like to see your favorites, then you tap on the heart-shaped icon in the menu bar on the bottom. This is the last one. And here you can see your favorite cars lists. That's pretty much for this video. I hope it was helpful for you. If it was, please consider subscribing, and see you in the next one.